One.
Hi, this is Martin with Electric Avenue, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the suspension on your seat posts. These generally come with Gazelles, but you may have this suspension seat post to work with. And so first off, you're going to need two things. You're going to need a torque wrench with a 5mm head, and then you're going to need an Allen key wrench with a 6mm head. And so first off, to get the seat post out, you got to loosen this clamp here, which is with the 5mm. As you can see, I've already gotten loose, so I can pull the seat post out here. And now on the inside of the seat post, to adjust the suspension, there's this 6mm keyhole right here, where you can adjust the stiffness of the suspension. So when you turn it to the clockwise, you're tightening it, which means you're making the suspension more firm, so it's going to feel harder. If you want to feel more, looseness in the suspension, you loosen this to go counterclockwise, and you want to make sure that you never go past the length of the seat post here. It should be at most flush with it. And so I like it, let's say right here. We'll put it back in. And then now you can secure this seat post down by tightening this again. And you want to make sure that's straight, of course. And we'll tighten this down with a torque wrench, and this should be 10 Newton meters for this bolt right here. So you get the torque wrench at 10 Newton meters. Keep tightening until you hear the click. A couple more. There you go, and you hear the click. And now you're good. And that is how you adjust the suspension on your seat post. Thanks for watching.